Hello everyone and welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation, where I review some business ideas and give you some advice on how to use Nextdoor the best way and how to find leads and prospects on a daily basis. So today I'm going to review an interesting business idea for the pet industry or pet niche, and the niche more precisely is dog and cat sitting. So I came across this lady posting a calling for services. I'm looking for a cat sitter from the 21st to the 25th of August, as our usual cat sitter is away. Need someone who will feed our cat Coco twice per day and clean her litter box. Pay is $25 per day. Ideal for a high school student. Let me know if you know someone in the neighborhood we are located near, and so on and so on. So that's how I got the idea of making this review today. So obviously these are Canadian dollar, little bit less than USD, and she is definitely looking not for a company to do the job, but a high school student. But anyway, as you know, there are some companies, small business owners who render this type of service. And if you are a student, that's the perfect way to make a few bucks, pay for your holidays or your studies or your restaurant with your girlfriend or boyfriend. And let's go. I just want to go next to this lady's profile. So she posted this 7 hours ago. She said 2 hours ago said that she found someone already. And just a note there: when you want to close your post, call for services, if you don't want to get annoyed, instead of leaving your note that you don't need anybody anymore in the comments, don't do that, because still people won't see it. Not everyone's checking each and every comment of your post. Just go on the three dots, edit your message, and put a big update or edit. Found what I was looking for, no need to contact me. Something like this. So this lady posted also a similar kind of request on the 12th of May. So she's a regular customer, and she is definitely not the only one in the area looking for this type of services. So she is not looking in that case for let's say weekly gig. So probably she's not looking for a small business owner to do that, and she's looking for a student or high school student. But I was curious, and I thought to myself, since I always preach this method, you should be creating, if you want to go for this type of activity, your own group. So I said, is there any cat and dog sitting group in my area, in Vancouver area? So I went to my feed line. I searched on the top bar because I could not find the group search, the searching group feature anymore. I think they had it before, but I'll give you in a few minutes the URL, and I'll leave it also in the comments if you're looking for groups. So I did look for the keyword sitting, because if I see dog and cat sitting with an hyphen or a space, maybe too complicated. So this is the results that I get. So they are divided in groups. You have here the posts, the businesses, the for sale and free tab, the events, and the neighbors. So we can see here a selection of a few of the small business owners here. We have the events beneath, and we have the groups. So somehow the groups are not shown here as tabulation. That's never mind. But we can see here the groups. There are only 3 results with the keyword sitting. We have knitting, not very much accurate. Fitness fanatics, definitely not accurate. Fitness. So there is actually no sitting group as a result of my search. So I was kind of disappointed, or pretty happy, because that gives me an opportunity to create it, and I can start a small business. So this is the exact URL you can use when you're searching for all the groups in your area. I'll leave this URL in the comments, in the video descriptions beneath, so it will be easier for you to just click and be redirected. Don't need to strain your eyes to get it. And I scroll all the way down until there is no more suggestion, and I have here basically all the groups in my area. And I did a search for cat and dog. So cat, there are 2 results for cat. Notification here on the left, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for cats, dogs and cats groups, and we have the cat people, so no cat sitting. What about dog sitting? Also only 1 group for dog people. And if I type sitting, we have only 1 group, which is babysitting, different type of animal. And that's it. So I have a free road in front of me. I can create this group, post every day there, and get leads to my business, or leads for my small activity as a high school student. So when you create your group, so I'm going to develop here the strategy. When you create your group, remember, and I'm going to open these 2 in different tabs. When you're creating a group, make sure this is not left blank. You have to put a banner, otherwise it looks not so engaging. Put a nice picture where people get to see your building, your activity, whatever is related to your activity. Don't forget to put a bio, always good. Share something with your neighbor, and that will be always better than this group. That is probably, yeah, no banner, no bio, and that's it. So once you create your group, don't make the mistake, that's my second advice or third advice, to make it a closed group, unless you want to make things more complicated for people to join. You want everybody to be able to see your group, see what's happening in your group, because you may get some leads by people just watching your group but not entering. So whatever you post in your group, for as long as this group is open, will be seen by everyone. So you should, once you have created your group, post only in your group. That will make your group alive, and that will attract people. People might join, might not join, but even if they do not join, they will see what you post, your publications in your group. Once they join your group and they click here, you will get on top of your group a small message here saying waiting for approval, new members waiting for approval. Then you click there, you approve their joining the group, and you can DM them, send them a promo code, or first say welcome, thanks for joining, this is what we are going to do in this group, here are the rules of that group, and feel free to contact me if you need some assistance for this and that. These are the services we render, and so on and so on. Actually, not everyone has these DM features. People deactivate the direct message option in their settings, and that's fine. But for all those who have this option still available, feel free to DM them. A nice friendly welcome in the group is a completely natural and not spammy way of contacting people when they are joining the group, and that gives you an opportunity to share a commercial message. So once you have done that, post each and every day in your group. Why? Because you want to be seen by everyone at least once a day. So if you post 7 times a week, don't post a commercial message each and every day. You don't want to spam people with advertisement or this is what I do, come and buy my services or my products. No, you don't want to do that. You surely don't want to see somebody else's business doing that in your face each and every day. So don't do to others what you don't want them to do you. So out of the 7 times you will be making a publication in your groups, only once should you make a commercial post. That's a rule of thumb, very easy to follow. You can program them in advance. By the way, my company is doing that for you if you lack the time and the consistency, which is always a big difficulty for people to be regular on Nextdoor and on all other social media. And you will see, you will have a continuous flow of new leads and prospects to your business, whether you are a student in the case of that one, or a small business owner. So let me go and continue the review. So we were here. I'll share with you the groups. I gave you already the instructions of what and how to do a proper job in finding or creating groups and what to do inside a group. So let's now go back to the businesses. So we have here a selection of 5 businesses that show up in that result, and they are better results than the group 1, and the same as the good practices I gave you on the groups. You should be having a nicely polished professional page. So that includes a banner picture, a logo picture. And so I clicked on one of these. I clicked on that one just to see what they were doing. So they are missing this logo where you could put your head, this banner where you could show your front porch, business, storefront. So they have email, all good. They have website, all good. They have telephone number. Hopefully, I don't see it, but it's probably inside. People can DM them. They have recommendations. That's good. Don't forget to ask your friends, family, and past customers to give favorites. So that's a very good way also to stand out from the other competitors. When you see there are 13 likes or favorites, here 16, looks always better than when you have much less or none. And don't forget to add your bio, which in that case on the business page is called Our Story. Don't add emojis and make it more readable. It's always better. Here in the photo section, you can add some lovely pictures of, don't forget to add yourself also, not only your products. Probably you can also add some videos, if not in the photo section. Add some videos somewhere here. When you post on your pro page, you should post at least once a month. No need for more. And don't forget your opening times, your address, which is missing in that case. And so I went to see their page, website, which is looking, let's say, traditional, simple, very nice. They have not updated their website for quite a while because, yeah, they still have some reference of an unpleasant time that we all lived in the past, so it could be updated. And yeah, so I went to see their rates, so money is everything, right? So for a 30-minute walk, they charge something between 26 and 31 bucks, Canadian dollar. So I went to convert them. Not everyone's familiar with Canadian dollar, so I took the lower range. Let's say 30. Yeah, 30. It's about 22 USD for 30-minute walks. Not too bad. Job is not complicated. So this is just to give you an idea of how much you could make. If you want to charge less, it's up to you. But that's it. If you like these videos, give it a like. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more business analysis and Nextdoor hacks and secrets that I share with you every day. And that's it for now. Enjoy your day and talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.